Welcome to the Luna Lab, all things tech through the lens of Gen Z. I'm your host, Luna Leo, and I'm exploring what the hell is going on in this tech-saturated world I've been born into. Why are all of my friendships managed through social media? Why am I addicted to my phone? Why did my parents grow up with tree houses while I grew up with Minecraft? On this podcast, I investigate these questions and more. So turn off your apps, turn on your brains, and join me in the Luna Lab. Imagine a world where you receive your deliveries from drones instead of people. And instead of looking up at the sky and seeing clouds, you see drones flying around. And instead of waiting for a day for your package to be delivered, it only takes a few minutes. Doesn't that sound like a sci-fi movie? Well, it's actually happening because of UPS and Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Meanwhile, Amazon is in the process of jumping on board. Alphabet launched a free delivery drone service in April of 2019 that has conducted more than 100,000 flights across 3 continents. It was designed to increase access to goods, reduce traffic congestion in cities, and ease carbon dioxide emissions due to the transportation of goods. So, are there any dangers of the winged drone? Well, there's always a chance that the drone might run into something, but there's yet to be an accident. However, currently the winged drone does not coordinate with local air traffic control because the delivery drones are flying under 400 feet and are sufficiently far away from the nearest airport. But as an additional safety precaution, Alphabet's trained pilots closely monitor for local air traffic entering the operating area. Moreover, the winged drone uses open sky technology, which was built by notable agencies like the Federal Aviation Administration and NASA, and industry standards to plan the deliveries and operations by drawing on Google heritage. On the platform, engineers create a detailed understanding of the buildings, roads, trees, and other terrains of the places where the winged drone operates to help the drones navigate safely. So, how has this technology helped citizens in quarantine? At the beginning of the pandemic, the winged drone delivery system was being used to deliver toilet paper and medicine to residents in lockdown, and later expanded their services to provide essentials such as all types of food and household items. Moreover, Kelly Pasek, a librarian in Virginia who was first introduced to the winged drone delivery due to the COVID-19 pandemic because she uses it to deliver fresh pastries and home essentials to her home, caused her to wonder if this technology could also help students check out books since all libraries are closed. Thus, she contacted Alphabet and collaborated with them to deliver books to the Montgomery County Public Schools families. This school became the first school in the world to offer a library book drone delivery service, and there will probably be more in the near future, since this is currently a big hit. This collaboration allows students to still obtain the resources they would have access to if they were still in school, and stay engaged with independent reading. So, how does this particular service work? Pasek sends the library's catalog, which includes over 150,000 titles, and the students can choose as many books as they like. Then, Pasek processes the requests and brings them to Wing's site, and Wing flies the books directly to the students' homes. Moreover, UPS collaborated with DroneUp, Workhorse Group, and Virginia Center for Innovative Technology to launch a drone delivery system called UPS Flight Forward in October of 2019. So, how is this drone different from Alphabet's? UPS is the first company in the world to gain full approval of the entire Part 135 standard certification to operate a drone airline. In contrast, Alphabet only gained half of this certification. This means that UPS Flight Forward is allowed to fly its delivery drones farther than where the pilot or an observer can see, and it can operate over crowds of people. Additionally, UPS Flight Forward drones can fly at night, and with cargo weighing over 55 pounds. However, the winged drone is only licensed for one pilot, and is limited to flying drones within the line of sight of the pilot or an observer, and it is not allowed to fly above crowds of people. But Wing is the only company in the drone delivery race with a company official on the FAA's Drone Advisory Committee, and will upgrade to the full certification when its drone technology is up to par. So how has UPS Flight Forward been helpful during the pandemic? UPS is collaborating with CVS Health Corporation to use their drones to deliver prescription medicines from a CVS pharmacy to the largest U.S. retirement community, which is located in the Villages, Florida, and is home to more than 135,000 residents. The drone transport allows the delivery to be faster for medicines that are time sensitive and supports social distancing guidelines. However, currently, the drone does not deliver to the homes of the elderly. Instead, the drones drop the prescriptions to a central location, where a Flight Forward employee then delivers them to homes. This is because the drone carries more than one citizen's medication and is unable to recognize which medication belongs to who. Consequently, there needs to be a human involved to drop it off to the specified address on the package. Another way that UPS Flight Forward is helping is collaborating with Matternet, a drone maker, to launch a healthcare delivery service that uses drones to deliver blood and other lab samples from WakeMed hospitals, clinics, and doctors' offices to its main lab in Raleigh, North Carolina. And this collaboration has completed more than 3,700 flights. Additionally, Amazon is in the middle of creating a delivery service called Prime Air, which was supposed to be expected to begin in some cities starting late 2019. However, as of June 2020, the service has yet to materialize. But Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos has revealed some plans for Amazon Prime Air in an interview on an American television program called 60 Minutes in December of 2013. The service will use delivery drones manufactured by an entity that is still unknown to anonymously fly individual packages to customers within 30 minutes of ordering. To qualify for a 30-minute delivery, the order must be less than 5 pounds, must be small enough to fit in the cargo box that the drone will carry, and must have a delivery location within a 10-mile radius of a participating Amazon order fulfillment center. So, how will Prime Air work? Prime Air drones will be connected to the internet to allow for flight control management and communication between drones. The Amazon Prime Air team worked with NASA and Single European Sky ATM to create the air traffic management system. Drones will fly less than 400 feet, and since there are no roads or fixed routes in the sky, there will be a lot of options to get from point A to point B, which is why navigating a drone through the air is very different from driving a car on the road. Amazon claims its traffic management system is easy to use for various operators in the same airspace because it will connect through the internet. So, what about data collection? Amazon's data collection usage from the drones has not been disclosed, but the Pittsburgh Journal of Technology Law and Policy has reported proposed data collection from Amazon Prime Air drones include automated object detection, GPS surveillance, gigapixel cameras, and enhanced image resolution. So, what does all of this mean? It means that our sky's landscape is about to change, because drones will constantly be flying in the sky to deliver items instead of humans. Additionally, these powerful companies will probably use the cameras found on drones to spy on us to create more addicting technology, which means that we would be under mass surveillance. In Western society, we dislike this idea because we believe in freedom and are taught that it's incredibly vital since childhood. But once this system is implemented, then we'll lose this, and anything we say or do may be used against us in the future due to this surveillance. However, China's communist government has implemented mass surveillance for a while now, and all of the citizens seem used to having it incorporated into their daily lives. For example, when I visit my family in China, I usually forget that I'm watched continuously and simply receive an occasional reminder from my parents to be conscious of what I'm saying. Conclusively, we're about to learn yet again what we can get used to. It seems that so long as we can't make out the face in our window, we don't entirely mind someone watching us, as long as we can get convenience in exchange. And so yes, The drone delivery system seems new, but the capacity for data collection and surveillance is anything but new. I dare to say it has become the new norm. You've reached the end of another episode of the Luna Lab. For more information, please check out lunalabpodcast.com and follow me on Instagram at lunalab.podcast.